Hi guys, today I am going to talk about very important factor of marketing. Every business owner or every business always survive and grow on the customers and the quality of the customers. When they launch new product or new service, they always think about how they can sell it more and sell it for more, because that is all dependent on two major metrics, is revenue and second is profit. Now, what are really important factors in marketing which every business owner or every business or sales team or marketing team should consider? First important factor is reaching to the buyer. I am not saying here reaching to the audience. I am saying reaching to the buyer. Buyer means person who really want to buy. In terms of inquiries, leads, whatever technical words are here, leads and inquiries are not qualified as buyers unless and until they are really interested in your product. So how to reach out to more buyers, not audience? That is most important in marketing. Second important factor, how will you start the conversation with them? Because if you want to sell more or sell it for more, then conversation is critical. How you are going to initiate conversation with your buyers? Now, these conversations should not be general conversation. They should be related to your industry, your product, your service, or the problem of customer. Is it happening in your business? Are you reaching to the buyers, probable buyers, which is also called as qualified leads? And are you doing conversation with them, or you are directly going to them and saying, this is my new product with new discount, with new offer, and buy it? Now, if you say that you have a product and if you go to someone and say buy this, will they buy? Will they really buy? And will they really buy without thinking or without negotiating on price? So how to crack the code? These are the biggest challenges right now in business, that how to reach to real buyer, right buyer, without spending a lot of money to reach to that buyer. Again, technically per lead cost, per inquiry cost, and how to start meaningful conversation with them. These two are really critical problems in marketing or digital marketing. Are you reaching to right customer and are you bringing them in meaningful conversation? How to do it actually? First most important factor you should consider is you should study your buyer. Why they are buying from you? Ask them questions. When someone buy from you, ask them question that why you really bought from us. Why you really need this, whatever you are providing, why you really need this. Ask them critical question and make a note of it. This data will really help you to improve your marketing and sales. You will not reach to wrong customers. You will not reach to people who don't really want to buy. So that is first factor. Second factor is how to start meaningful conversation. Now, normal way of marketing is just creating offers, services, nice graphics, nice videos, advertising it, boosting it in language of online advertising, and getting customers. But those customers are not quality customers. They are not right customers which will bring growth, profit, and revenue to your business. So are you sending them advertising or are you asking them questions? Are you starting the conversation? Conversation is really important. The graphics, the ads, the videos, the explainer videos, the ad videos are conversation killers. And conversation sell more. That's the principle of marketing and sales. So right now many business owners are investing in digital marketing to create graphics and promote it on various digital platforms, and they are killing the conversation, and actually conversation is going to bring them profit or better customer. Are you doing the same in your business, Do you want to fix this issue in your business, or you just want to spend your money on advertising, random targeted advertising, get random results? That is also fine if you are happy with it. But if you want to improve, yes, definitely we can discuss. You can WhatsApp me on my given number and we can start discussion. And I would love to help you with that. Thank you.